She watches you. She measures you, not in words, but in action, in the way you carry yourself, in the battles you fight, in the emotions you allow to control you. Respect is not freely given. It is earned in the fire of discipline, forged in silence, and proven through restraint. And yet, most men fail. They stumble into patterns that strip them of their power, making them unworthy in her eyes. You want her respect? Then listen closely, because if you do any of these 5 things, you will lose it forever. 1. You crumble under pressure. A Stoic does not shatter when life tightens its grip, yet many men do. They panic in the face of adversity. They let stress break them, complaining, reacting emotionally, losing their composure. A man who cannot hold himself together in the storm is a man she cannot rely on. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." She respects strength, not the kind found in a clenched fist, but the kind that endures, that remains steady when the world turns to chaos. If you crumble, she will look elsewhere for stability. 2. You seek her validation. Respect is not earned by begging. It is earned by presence, by certainty. The moment you need her approval to define your worth, you are already lost. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." Yet, many men avoid these trials, bending themselves to please, sacrificing their authenticity to be liked. A true Stoic stands firm. He does not ask, "Does she approve?" He asks, "Am I living in alignment with my principles?" When you need her validation, you place her above you, and no one respects a man who does not respect himself first. 3. You let your emotions control you. Anger, jealousy, fear, these are chains, not weapons. Epictetus taught, "It is not events that disturb people, but their judgments about them." Yet weak men are led by impulse. They lash out, they sulk, they let fleeting emotions dictate their lives. A man ruled by emotion is unpredictable, unstable. She may pity him, she may tolerate him, but she will never respect him. True power lies in control, in choosing how to respond, in never letting emotions shake your core, because the man who masters himself masters the world. 4. You fail to command your own life. A man without direction is a man without respect. A Stoic moves with purpose. He does not drift. He does not wait for permission. He takes full responsibility for his path. Yet, so many men hesitate. They procrastinate. They lack discipline. Aurelius warned, "It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live." And that is exactly what happens when you let life happen to you instead of shaping it yourself. If you do not command your own life, how can she trust you to lead in any capacity? 5. You betray your own principles. Nothing is more pathetic than a man who says one thing and does another, who speaks of integrity but bends the moment temptation calls. A Stoic does not waver. He is as he says. He acts, not to impress, but because it is right. When you abandon your values, even in small ways, she notices. She sees the cracks in your foundation, and with every broken principle, her respect for you crumbles. As Epictetus declared, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." A real man does not betray himself just to fit in. He stands by his truth, no matter the cost. She will never respect the man who falters under pressure, who needs her validation, who is ruled by emotion, who drifts without purpose, who betrays his own values. Respect is not asked for. It is taken through action, through discipline, through self-mastery. You want her respect? Then become the kind of man who respects himself first. The kind of man who needs no permission to be great. Because once you do, her respect will follow, whether you seek it or not.